I'm going to walk you through answering questions on a Padlet. So you should have the Padlet link sent to you by your teacher. It might be posted in Google Classroom. So once you click on the link, you are going to navigate over to the bottom right-hand corner where there's a plus sign. Click on the plus sign, or you can double click anywhere. So you could double click and it will pop up. The easiest way is that plus sign. So for this Padlet, the instructions are to students, please use the space below to write down 2 truths and a lie. Once you have completed yours, please try to guess the lies of your classmates and have fun. So my name popped up automatically. If you notice that yours says anonymous, please make sure that this is your name. I should put Missy. So I'm not going to write which one is my truth and which one is my lie. And you can type right in the box. Another option that you could do when answering questions is you can upload documents, you can upload videos, you can insert a link, add a Google search, take a picture. An additional, on the triple dot, you can upload photos, links, Google, Snap, take a picture, film video. You can record yourself right in the space here. You can do a voice recording, a screen recording. You can draw, add locations. You have a lot of options when you are answering on Padlet. In order to save your answer, you just click off. That's all you have to do in order to answer a Padlet.